What if we told you that this honey is not infused with Tulsi, but made by bees that feast on Tulsi flowers? That's right, Nia Natura's Tulsi honey is 100% natural, harvested from bees that collect nectar from lush Tulsi plantations. Most people nowadays are struggling with sore throat, infections and indigestion. That's where Tulsi honey can help you get rid of it all in the most natural way. A spoonful a day and your body will thank you. No additives, no artificial flavors, just nature at its best. Experience the purity of Tulsi honey only with Nia Natura. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll unveil another exciting variety of honey. Until then, shop now at nianatura.in and bring home the taste of pure natural goodness.